Alright, in this video we're going to be going into the yield calibrations on John Deere S700 Series Combine and looking where it stored all those numbers that it creates that calibration value with, and seeing how to retrieve those and how to manually input a known good calibration specifically for a low flow crop like white clover, for example. So from our main screen here, we'll go into our bottom right hand menu, go into calibrations and procedures, scroll down to the bottom of the list to yield calibration. On this page, instead of going into record to record a calibration load, at this point we're assuming we already have a good calibration. We're like, this is fairly accurate. We want to be able to know how to access these numbers or save them for the next go around. So you would select the little upward arrow with the dot, and right here where it says manual calibration, you'd make sure it was set on that, and then you'd hit advanced options. And right there, it's going to bring up your current calibration that you're on. And this is where you would snap a picture with your phone or write these numbers down. If this is a good white clover setting, for example, you're getting flow through all the time, it's accurate. The C11 number is what it looks at when it averages these 10. So you would be able to hit this advanced edit if you wanted to transfer a calibration from another machine or adjust the one that you have here if it's a few percent off. So you would simply select your thing you wanted to do, hit next, and then allow you to adjust that C11 number, and then it would adjust all the other 10 numbers accordingly. It kind of gives a little example of how to do that there. So that's how you go in the advanced settings on the yield calibration for S700 Series John Deere Combines with the Generation 4 display.